It's the front line between land and sea. It's also the place where rocky beaches and tidal waves collide. Its residents are tamed back by the incoming tide, and it's driven into the air by the ebbing tide. But why would anything bother to live here? How is this hostile place a cauldron of life? How are all these creatures beckoned to live in this place called Seashore? Dong. More commonly known as the intertidal zone, it's the water that marks the places of the boundaries between land and sea. The highest point that the waves cast is where the highest boundary is, and the lowest boundary is drawn by the lowest of low tides. From rocky shores to sandy beaches of tropical places and the coral fringes, all the creatures that live between land and sea is always real estate for them, which makes a pretty plentiful, bountiful place of hunting grounds for land-based mammals. As having fed our bodies for thousands of years, to ancient minds it's the place where gods are born.